Hi everyone, and welcome to my portfolio. You have to excuse me. I'm kind of just getting over COVID-19, and um, so my voice might be a little weak. Um, if you have to adjust the volume, feel free to do so. Um, the first part of my portfolio I wanted to show was creating a rubric, and this rubric I created over Keeks. This is redacted from Fort Bend ISD, but I adjusted it just a little more. I will be measuring students' mastery of the concepts of inquiry, author's purpose, and craft, and also integrating elements of argumentative text in four categories: the pre-assessment, formative assessment, product of performance, and the student's formative assessment. So the pre-assessment will always consist of either questioning, selecting words, or outlining the text, such as the highlighting, or having a classroom discussion. And the student formative assessments will always be a constructed activity that would be graded. The second part of my portfolio is the audio visual resources that I'll be using. Um, I didn't think that I thought this part was going to be really difficult, but actually, this is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I actually found a lot of great resources, particularly interactive YouTube videos and websites on how to write essays and paraphrase or uh, do APA or Chicago style citation for my students. And most importantly, author's claim and the structure of an informational text, and that these videos will be helpful in scaffolding or reviewing information. The next assignment that we had was developing a authentic assessment planning template. This is where we had to create different subjects of topics where the students would discuss. Here, I developed a few different assessments that the students that would assess their mastery of certain concepts. And finally, this is my course outcomes and topical outline planning template. This was the backbone of all of my ideas, all of the activities that I planned in my unit. These are redacted from the TEKS, Texas Essential Skills, Knowledge and Skills, current for the 2021-22 school year. And these are the things that I would have been teaching in my online class to a high school combination class. We spend about a week on each topic. Most importantly, the inquiry process and author's claim and citation. Those are the weeks where reteaching might be needed. So I left a week. I left kind of a week blank. I could have highlighted it here, but a week to show that there could be a week that needs for reteach. This is an often part students tend to struggle on these areas. We want to make sure that they're set up for mastery. And will conclude my portfolio for my 5319 class. Thank you.